if they can take a lead here, they, I think, will be in a very good position. And Muzammal Kamuki has hit it straight down to the fielder, who was there at the boundary. He didn't make any mistake. And the first wicket for Qadir Kashmiri, first wicket for Clifton Popular. Look at them. They are absolutely over the moon. They are jubilating and they are really rejoicing.
Very important wicket. Muzammal Kamuki went with the straight bat, but it wasn't handsome shot.
Oh, what a beauty. What a peach of a ball. He caught that one in his follow through and now they are going up. Batsman thought he hit that one with his boot rather than the bat, but umpire has referred it to the television umpire.
I reckon it's out. It was hitting after the bat, then it hit with the boot, and then Qadir Kashmiri has taken the catch. For me, I reckon it's out.
So we can watch it again. Bat first, then that one struck on the boot and then went in the air. So if there is any element of bat, beautifully. And Jamil straight away getting into his own, but not enough. Fahad Mia Channu was there and look at the celebrations. Hassan Pana is absolutely over the moon. So is Fahad Mia Channu, so is everyone. Oh, Qadir Kashmiri now has taken 3 wickets in this over. 2-run, wicket, dot ball, wicket, wicket. I thought for a while that Zoeb Jamil has hit that one far enough. 1.3 overs, and he bowled a full toss. But batsman could not able to put that away. You can't stay away from Fahad Mia Channu. He's everywhere. Brought off another good catch. Will umpire take a look at that one, whether it was a no ball or not, because that was a full toss. Fair enough. But catch was taken beautifully. Foot is very fine. Nothing wrong with the foot. I think nothing wrong with the height as well. So the batsman has to go back. Has to go back. Oh, it's bowled him. Qadir Kashmiri has done him, and look at the spectators. Look at the crowd. What I am watching. Unbelievable scenes here. What I am watching. He's again on a hat-trick. He was on a hat-trick in last over, and now he's again on a hat-trick. Oh mine. What is going on? Clifton Populars, bowlers firing on with all the cylinders.